What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how I tried this particular video on how to earn $100 per day listening to music. So this is actually one of the funniest video I'm gonna see online that says how you can actually make money, and of course, pay you money to listen to music. I've seen different dump videos for real, but this one is actually kind of like, I don't know how to put it, but then I'm going to show you the whole process that was shared in this video on how you can make money. So let's take a look at the video.
Listening to one song, you can earn $4.50. Listening to 10 songs, you can earn $45. As you can see,
So this video said you can earn $4, $5, $7 to listen to music. So will you be the one to even listen to music, or you have to drive people to listen to music? So this website says that you're gonna go through one particular website. So these are the earnings that you can actually make listening to music, as they claim on this video. So it says you can earn up to this amount while you listen to music. Then the person introduced that you have to visit a particular website, which is mixkit.com. So I already visited the website, which is this particular website. You can see mixkit.com, where they upload stock music videos. You can see stock videos, stock music, sound effect, video templates, and many more like that. But this video says that we're gonna be listening or download some music. So let's see
you will
here.
find this collection of free acoustic tracks that you can download for absolutely free. And on this hip-hop genre page, you can find hundreds of free downloadable.
So we're going to be finding free download music on this particular website, which is Mixkit. So I'll definitely do that and download different music. So then we'll move on to the next one. So as you already know, that this video literally said we should download music from Mixkit. Not that we are going to be listening to music on Mixkit and be able to make money. So let's do the same thing that was explained in this video. So then you can say, let's search for hip hop music. So let's see what we have, and then you can see this particular one. So you say, I'm not sure if you will be able to download free one, but then let's see. Okay, this one is actually free. Complicated. Let's see if you will be able to download that. Okay, complicated. Let's try this. Let me put it on my music. Okay, so I just download one of this soundtrack or music. Let me look for another one, which is funky hip hop. Let's download this one too. So let's download another one. I just want to download three music. So I have downloaded three music. So let's see the next step that was shared in this video. So let's check on the next step, which is okay.
Using this completely free method. So just follow what I do, and you can also earn money like this. So basically, what this
So they said we're gonna go to this website called Free
$7.
Upload.
If people from Tier 2 countries download your music files, you will earn $6. And Tier 2 countries include Germany, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia.
So this video said we're gonna go to 3uploads.com, as you can see here.
Just
Then
click where it says sign up, and then fill out your own information here, like a username, an email, and your
so then we'll sign up on 3upload.com, and that is where we are going to be uploading all the music that we literally don't own. We are getting them from another website just to make money from 3upload. So I'm gonna do that, and let's quickly do that. So let me sign up on 3upload.com, and you can see make money, this option. The person actually said uh how you will be able to make money on this particular one. But then the funniest part is that you won't be the one to listen to music. You have to drive people to this website to listen to your music before you can be able to make money. So let's say we give you the best pricing around the world in order to take advantage of the revenue per 1000 downloads. You can see tier one country $6, you can say and tier four countries $2. So you have to drive thousands of people to download that music to earn $6. And remind you, you don't own all this music, and you can get a copyright strike for that because these are the music that you don't own. And how will you even drive people to this website to download music that you don't own? You know, and there are some people that once they download that music that you don't even own, and if at all the website that own those music or sound actually file a copyright issue on that, that's not gonna make any sense. So this is kind of like a dumb ideas on how you can actually make money because it doesn't make any sense to me. How a music that you don't own, how will you drive people to it so that you can be able to make money? And all the screenshots proved in that video are not legit because why will you not show a screenshot proof that this website is the one that sent me the payment? So they are just getting a screenshot from different website, which of course is not from this particular website. You can see just a random figure, and basically this particular one is what this website said they are paying. So I actually agree to that probably they are paying $7 or $6 so 1000 downloads, but basically they are not telling you to download someone else sound or someone else music in order for you to be able to make money. So the idea doesn't go, and it's not a legit way to make money. You have to work and work again before you can even be able to make money on this website, because how will you drive 1000 people to listen to music or to a sound that you don't own? It makes no sense to me, and it's not a good idea to make money online. Trust me. You can also try it out and see that definitely at the end of you struggling to do this the right way, you're not going to be able to make money as it's claimed. Not even $1 on per day, not to talk of $100. This is just my own idea on how this video works, and you kind of like not being able to make money as it's claimed. So let me know what you think about it. And if you have already tried out this method, if it worked for you or if it doesn't, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll be very much happy to hear your own opinion about this video. Thank you. And I'll definitely look forward to hear from you again.